if you're looking at this, if you're looking at something that you see right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here, if you're wondering what this is, this might be the answer to the future. And this is a live mic. This is a microphone that I ordered from. This is one I ordered off Amazon. This is one that I ordered off Amazon. I wanted to get a microphone because the current one that I had before, that one broke. So that one kind of broke. So the one I had before, that one broke. So that's why. So that one did not work as well. So I got a new one, and it's this. So I'm gonna open it up. I obviously opened it already, but what this is the microphone, and this is the clip. It's also adjustable, so you can adjust the clip if you want. And I think I'm gonna put it on my shirt. Come on. Let's put it on my shirt. Let's put it right here. No. Oh no. Oops. And also this snapped off, unfortunately, but it's okay. It's fine. Let's actually take this off first, so that way it doesn't interfere. So then this is the microphone. Is what I actually have right here. This is the mic that I have. And also this actually comes with two mics. So if you want to interview someone, I mainly use it because I just use it for like when I do like talking videos like this. They also come with little fuzzies, with the little fuzzy cover if you want this. So I'm actually going to put this on. So I'm going to take this off. Wait, can I put this over it? No, I can't. Nope, I can't. And you can also switch it out. If you don't like this, you can put this on. I'm going to put that into place. And look at that. Oh, it's really fuzzy. See? This is the microphone, and then I think you just like press the power button on the side. And on the side is the power button. Give me 1 second. Can I answer this? Sorry about that, guys. I gotta answer this. Anyway, as I was saying, if you want to like change it, you can also change it to this. This is basically what I always like to change it to. And you can strap it onto anywhere. You can like strap it onto your shirt. That's where I mainly like to strap it on, but I'm actually going to create a little spot. So I'm actually going to try and snap it on like that. Oop, this might be a little too far down. Hang on, let me actually do it a little closer. So you can create a spot in your shirt, and then you have to like clip the microphone in, and no, this might actually not be the best spot. Might want to do it a little closer. Oop, I need to adjust it a little bit. Oops. Oops. So, yep. Hold on 1 sec, guys. Don't mind that. That's just my dad texting. My dad's just texting. He's still at work right now. And I'm just I'm just hanging out. Come on. Oh, come on. Alright, I'm gonna take off the fuzzy so I can take off the cover. Oh. Oh well, it's not really snapping in so great. Ugh. Ooh, this clip is hard. Ouch, my thumb. Ow, my thumb. Ooh, this clip is really hard to snap in. Woo. Ooh-wee. Let me take this off. Where should I snap it to? I'm going to snap it to here. Or if I had my coat on, it would be easier to snap on the mic, but... So there we go. This is what it looks like. Obviously, this might be a little too close. But, yeah. But yeah. This is what it looks like, and then you just press this little power button here. Let me see. And you just press the power button. Oh wait, I gotta turn it on first. What if I turn on the mic? Where do I see if it's turning on? Wait, what's this? I don't know what that is. Probably a mic cover. Oh, wait, I just saw something. Oh, there we go. Let's see. This might be a Bluetooth, but I'm going to try and pair it up with my phone. So I can try to pair it up with my phone. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Please work. Please work. Come on. Let's see if I can... Oh, yeah, it's wireless. This also says it's wireless. I'm trying to see if there's actually a Bluetooth. I have to try and see if there's a Bluetooth. Oh, Optimum Stream. No. That's not it. So this is the microphone. Obviously, it comes with another fuzzy. This is the second fuzzy. This is the second cover that comes with, but this is also the first one. And then what it also comes with is this. So this is what it is, and this is a this is the thing that plugs it. This is the thing that plugs into it. So I'm actually gonna try with. Oh, oops. And also, it comes with this. So it comes with two ports. Whoa. Where did it go? Where'd that go? Ah, went under me. It landed on here. So there we go. This is the port here. Then you have to kind of like, you have to plug it into like a device. I plug it into my phone. And then I just have to find to see if that's turning on. Oh yeah, I see the blue light in there. Yeah, I see the blue light. The blue light's there. Yep, I see the blue light. Let's see if I can pair it. Come on. Come on. Why is this not pairing? Basically impossible to pair. Oh well. It's impossible to pair. There's no Bluetooth. Oh well, that sucks. That sucks. There's no Bluetooth for that. But this is the mic itself. But probably it'll be a little different because right now my shirt is kind of not really the best thing to snap my mic onto. But probably if I have like, if I have my coat on, I can try snapping it onto there, and then it would work. But anyway, I'm gonna take the cover off and I'm gonna take off the cover. I'm gonna put this back on. So this is the microphone. Let me turn this off. There we go. I think it went off. So this is the microphone, and also you can see right here in the back, it has an adjustable clip, so you can adjust it however you want it to be. And however you want it to be, you can also adjust it. This is like that, and then you just have to like push hard on the clip, and then it snaps into like your shirt or whatever you want to put it on. And then this is the second one right here, and then I'm gonna put the fuzzy away. I'm gonna put the fuzzy away. Put that little fuzzy away. Let's put it back in the Ziploc right here. And also besides that, it comes also with a USB port. It comes with a USB port. I'm gonna unplug this because this is not working. Because it's not working on my phone. So it comes with two ports. So it comes with this that you can plug into your phone, and this, which you could plug it into a computer. I can plug it in my computer. And then this is the thing that actually makes it, that actually has it, that you can actually connect it. So you can see it right there. And then it also comes with a charger. This right here comes with a charger. Then you could just plug it in, and then you just plug it into a port, and then you could just plug it into the wall. And this is the plug. This is the plug itself. It's kind of not really so big, but it's kind of small. I might have to charge this. So it actually has a full charge. And then this could like go into that. This could go into this. And then you can also put the USB port into here, and then you could also like plug it in. Then you can just plug it in, and now it charges. So yeah, this is the microphone. This is like what the microphone looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna put this away. Let me put this away. Actually, just put this away. Actually, put this away. Alright, I'm gonna put this away. Let's see. Put it right in there like that. Put it in there like that. Put it in there like that. Wait. I think it goes the other way. Wait, it goes the other way. Okay. Then you just have to like snap it in. You just have to like snap that in. And then that way, your microphone is all good. Oh wait, nope, that's not right. Yep, this is it. That's correct. Then you just put it in with it on top, and then that's your two mics, and that's where they get stored. That's where they get stored, and then this, and then that's basically what the mic is. So I do plan on using it for like a couple of like exploration videos. So like when I show you guys like some cool stuff like abandoned rail lines, you can I actually can use the microphone, because my old one that I had, that one kind of broke. It didn't really broke, but it stopped working. It stopped working for some reason. So it's not really the best mic right now. But my old one, but this is kind of a little bit newer, is what I would say. So one try. Excuse me 1 second. By the way, I'm having a little snack. Having raspberries and strawberries as my snack today. So like when I do my exploration videos, that's what I want to have. Like I want to have that microphone, so that way I can talk to you guys more clearly, so you get the sound, so you can hear better. So that way it blocks out some of the noise. So you can just hear my voice easily. So it's easier for you guys to hear my voice, and yeah. And also, I might use it for like station tours and possibly some like event videos. Like when I go to like the nostalgia events, I could use it at that, but with someone recording me, I can actually do that. So yeah, that's what I could use this mic for. So that's what makes that's why I wanted this mic, and it's a lavalier wireless. It's a wireless lavalier microphone, is what it is. So this is the branding. I'll link it down below so you guys can buy it yourselves if you want it. I'll just link it down below in the description. So yeah. So that's about the microphone, and it's a really great microphone. So I hope you guys try it, and we'll see how it goes. And I can't wait to use it. So anyway, as always, stay safe. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on Fanrail. Okay, stay safe out there and keep on rolling.